Do you wonder what you can do to invest into the AI technology, which is an incredibly exciting area to invest in now when we look at stuff like ChatGPT? In this video, we're going to cover just that, the top 10 AI companies investments that you can do in 2023, which is going to be wildly successful, we believe. Now, before we get started, there is a challenge here, and the reason I want to look at the AI is because if we look back in history, Amazon has gone up thousands of percent when that was introduced as one of the new tech companies during the dot-com bubble. Bitcoin was innovation, I think it's gone up something like 30 or 40 million percent over the years since inception. Now with AI technology, it's going to be artificial intelligence, and that's the new hype, that's the new thing, that's the new kid on the street, and we believe some of these companies might have a similar growth ahead of them, which is why we want to be ahead of the curve. Now, when you look at the market, now it's forecasted to reach $97.9 billion by 2023, and that is a big jump from today's valuation. So it's an exceptional time to explore our options right now as well. So when you select an AI company, it's super important to look at a few different factors. Something like you need to make sure they have a tangible exposure to AI technology or a material investment in the area as well. It's not enough that they say, I invest into AI, which a lot of people do. We also look at they have at least 15% or greater earnings ahead in the future years. So we know that it's a growing company as well. And with those parameters, because now there's a lot of cowboys out there, some companies saying we do AI and it's really a bad company. So we want to make sure we only invest into the absolute best ones. Now, just know this is no financial advice. We're not allowed to give that. So I'm just going to share with you what we're looking at, and then you can do your judgment as well. So first out is NVIDIA. This is a high-end chip maker responsible for powering many popular AI applications today. NVIDIA is also working in crypto, blockchains. They're really at the forefront of technology, and looking at their numbers, it's a market leader and an incredible company as well. The next one is C3.ai, down a whooping 50-60% from its all-time high, suffering from the bear market we've been in. But now they've gotten a lot of good attention, and it's an AI software company in North America. And it's a super exciting project at the moment, really getting their hands deep into artificial intelligence as well. Next out is Alphabet, that's Google. Now it's a leading provider of AI technology today. They made some ginormous strides of implementing it in all of their services, not least when you're doing your ads to collect data, etc. as well. So that's no surprise there. And the next one is IBM. That's a front runner of artificial intelligence with a long history of innovation in this area. So you can see there are some household names that we do want to get into as well, but we also believe that they have a big set of growth in front of them as well. The next one is Microsoft. Microsoft, as you know, is a major player in the field, and also I don't need to say anything else than they have a great fundamental, if you do the fundamental analysis on them, they have great earnings, great amount of money, it's a really solid company. And it's a big investor into ChatGPT as well. Number 6, Palantir, which I really like. It's down 80% or so from its high. It's down a lot, which makes it a bargain at these prices. This is a data analytics company, and they use AI tools to help people make better data analysis based decisions. So they work with a lot of households names as well. Now, Palantir, I believe this could be a really good jewel in the next bull market, and we know will come eventually, right? It will be a bear market, a sideways moving market, everyone jumps out, and then there will be a bull market. So I'm looking at making a lot of money with these companies as well. And the next one is Intel. We know that is a chip maker that offers AI solutions to many different industries as well, such as healthcare and the financial services as well. Next up is Amazon. So Amazon, they use AI to enhance the customer experience and optimize its supply chain as well currently, because that's, where they are the biggest player as well. And then we have Applied Materials, a semiconductor equipment company that offers AI-based solutions as well. So these companies are all getting at the forefront of innovation, which is what we're looking at. And last but by no means least, Salesforce is a customer relationship management system, which is CRM, that uses AI to provide personalized customer experience, which is very exciting. I believe all of these 10 companies, NVIDIA, C3.ai, Google, IBM, Microsoft, Palantir, Intel, Amazon, Applied Materials, and Salesforce are all super companies when it comes to the AI, and in 2023 as well. When you invest into AI, just know it's not as safe. Investing into Microsoft, Google, yes, they are household names in this space. But if you invest into something like C3.ai, even Palantir, that are kind of new kids on the block, they have a ginormous upside, but they could also fall to zero. So be very careful with your investments here. Do your research, of course, but if I would invest, let's say, 5,000 into Microsoft, maybe I invest 1,000 in total into C3 AI, because more upside but also more risk. The last thing I want to mention here is the importance to make sure that you invest at the bottom of a market. We cannot time it, which is why we use certain strategies. Something like PCA, which you might know as DCA, dollar cost averaging. When you put in a certain amount of money each week or each month, it could be $100, and then you get an average price over time. And starting to do that now when the market is this low is just incredible.